How to find draft post on Facebook. So now head to your Facebook application. So for this, I will be creating a post and then saving it as a draft. So after saving this draft, you will find a Facebook notification which states your draft has been saved. So just tap this notification and it will direct you to this page. So this page contains all of your drafts. And take note that your drafts will be deleted after 3 days. So if you have not received notifications from Facebook, just head to your settings application and then search for apps. Now using the search icon, search for Facebook and then select notifications and make sure that this feature is enabled by tapping the toggle button beside allow notifications. And so that is how you find draft post on Facebook. Thank you and have a great day.